Hey there, travel enthusiast, it's your boy Matt, back with another exciting video. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of luxury travel. Imagine yourself sipping cocktails on a pristine beach, waking up to breathtaking views from your five-star hotel room, and indulging in gourmet meals without emptying your wallet. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's totally achievable, even on a budget. So, buckle up and get ready for some insider tips and tricks that will have you living the high life on a shoestring budget. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll be booking your next luxury getaway before you can say champagne wishes and caviar dreams. Let's address the elephant in the room, shall we? For years, we've been conditioned to believe that luxury travel is synonymous with exorbitant prices. But guess what? That's a big fat myth. In 2024, the travel industry is more competitive than ever, which means there are tons of incredible deals and steals to be had. With a little know-how and some savvy planning, anyone can enjoy a taste of the good life without breaking the bank. Maybe it's about staying in a boutique hotel with unique charm, enjoying a private tour of a historical landmark, or simply treating yourself to a spa day. Luxury is all about experiences, not price tags. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to affordable luxury travel? Stay tuned because in the next section, I'm going to reveal how you can snag those coveted five-star hotel rooms for half the price. Welcome back, savvy travelers. Let's talk about how the perception of luxury has evolved. Today, luxury is all about unique experiences, personalized service, and a touch of exclusivity. Things you can totally find without spending a fortune. Think boutique hotels with local charm, intimate cooking classes with renowned chefs, or private tours of hidden gems. The best part? These experiences often cost a fraction of what you'd expect from traditional luxury options. So, are you ready to ditch the outdated luxury stereotypes and embrace a new era of affordable indulgence? Stick around because I'm about to spill the beans on how to score those five-star hotel stays for a fraction of the cost. Get ready to be amazed. Alright, budget-savvy adventurers, let's talk about one of the biggest game changers in the world of affordable luxury travel, the sharing economy. Websites and apps like Airbnb and VRBO offer incredible deals on luxurious apartments, villas, and even castles, often at a fraction of the cost of traditional hotels. You can enjoy spacious living areas, fully equipped kitchens, and even private pools, all without breaking the bank. Plus, many of these properties come with added perks like concierge services, local recommendations, and access to exclusive amenities. Talk about living the high life! In the next section, I'm going to reveal even more strategies for finding hidden luxury gems at unbeatable prices. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. Now, let's talk about unlocking hidden luxury gems that won't break the bank. One of my favorite strategies is to look beyond the big-name hotel chains and explore independent boutique hotels. These hidden gems often offer a more personalized and intimate experience with unique designs, local charm, and top-notch service, often at a more affordable price point than their larger counterparts. Another pro tip? Travel during the off-season or shoulder season. Not only will you encounter fewer crowds, but you'll also find some seriously tempting deals on accommodations and flights. And here's a bonus tip. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Contact hotels directly and inquire about any special offers, packages, or room upgrades. In the upcoming sections, we'll dive deeper into maximizing your luxury travel experience on a budget, from gourmet dining to unforgettable activities. Alright folks, let's tackle those pesky misconceptions about luxury travel being reserved for the elite. The truth is, anyone can experience a taste of the good life without needing a trust fund. Recent studies have shown a significant increase in budget-conscious travelers opting for luxury experiences. The key is to be smart, strategic, and prioritize what matters most to you. Maybe you're willing to splurge on a Michelin star meal, but happy to stay in a cozy Airbnb instead of a five-star hotel. Remember, luxury is a mindset, not a price tag. It's about creating unforgettable experiences and indulging in the things that bring you joy, all while being mindful of your budget. Now let's talk about a secret weapon in the arsenal of budget-savvy luxury travelers' points and miles. These little babies can be your golden ticket to free flights, hotel upgrades, and even those coveted first-class seats. Sign up for a travel rewards credit card and earn points on everyday purchases like groceries and gas. Look for bonus point offers and take advantage of airline and hotel loyalty programs. Be strategic about how and when you redeem your points. Points and miles are like free money for travel, so make them work for you. A little planning and effort can go a long way in maximizing your rewards and unlocking those luxurious travel experiences. Sometimes you'll get more bang for your buck by saving them for a big-ticket item like a business-class flight or a luxurious hotel stay. Alright my friends, let's talk about those little luxuries that can make a big difference in your travel experience. You don't always have to break the bank to add a touch of indulgence to your trip. For example, instead of eating out for every meal, why not treat yourself to a fancy picnic basket filled with local delicacies and enjoy a romantic lunch with a view? Consider upgrading your transportation experience. Instead of hopping on a crowded bus, explore options like renting a convertible for a scenic drive or booking a private boat tour for a touch of exclusivity. These small splurges can create lasting memories without blowing your budget. Who says you need a king's ransom to dine like royalty? Not on our watch, my friends. Let's unlock the secrets to experiencing culinary delights without emptying your wallet. First up, ditch the tourist traps. I know those flashy restaurants with menus in 5 different languages seem tempting, but trust me, you'll pay a premium for the privilege. Instead, venture off the beaten path and seek out local gems. Think family-run trattorias in Italy, cozy bistros in Paris, or bustling street food stalls in Southeast Asia. Not only will you enjoy authentic flavors and fresh ingredients, but you'll also get a taste of the local culture without breaking the bank. Consider having your main meal at lunchtime when restaurants often offer prix-fixe menus or discounted lunch specials. Now let's talk about keeping your itinerary packed with amazing experiences without spending a fortune. One of the best ways to experience a destination on a budget is to embrace the great outdoors. Explore local parks, go for a hike with breathtaking views, relax on pristine beaches, or simply wander through charming neighborhoods and soak up the atmosphere. Many cities offer free walking tours, museum days, and outdoor concerts. Check out local websites, tourist information centers, or even ask your hotel concierge for recommendations on free or low-cost activities happening during your stay. And here's a bonus tip for my fellow history buffs. Look for free historical sites, ancient ruins, or architectural wonders that you can explore at your own pace. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the freedom to discover these hidden gems on your own terms. Alright, savvy travelers, let's talk about navigating transportation like a pro without spending a fortune. My first piece of advice, embrace the power of your own 2 feet. Walking is not only free, but also a fantastic way to discover hidden gems, soak up the local atmosphere, and stumble upon those Instagram-worthy photo ops. For longer distances, ditch those pricey taxis and embrace public transportation like a local. Hop on buses, trains, or subways for a fraction of the cost and experience the city like a true insider. Consider purchasing a city pass or travel card that offers unlimited rides on public transportation for a set period. These passes can save you a bundle, especially if you plan on doing a lot of exploring. Just be sure to compare prices and options to find the best deal for your needs. Alright, my fellow adventurers, it's time to unveil the ultimate travel hack that will revolutionize how you plan your vacations. Drumroll please, the secret weapon is, that's right my friends, being flexible with your travel dates and destinations is the single most effective way to unlock incredible deals and experience luxury travel on a budget. When you're open to exploring different options, a whole world of affordable luxury opens up. The beauty of flexibility is that it allows you to take advantage of last-minute deals, error fares, and other travel discounts that pop up unexpectedly. Trust me, some of my most memorable and luxurious travel experiences happened because I was open to changing my plans at a moment's notice. Now I know what you're thinking, but Matt, I like to have everything planned out in advance. And I hear you. Planning is important, but being overly rigid with your itinerary can cost you. Embrace a little spontaneity. You might be surprised at the incredible experiences you stumble upon. Instead of booking every single activity and meal in advance, leave some room for exploration. Talk to locals, ask for recommendations, and be open to changing your plans based on their insights. Flying into smaller regional airports can often save you a bundle on airfare. Remember, flexibility is all about maximizing your options and being open to serendipity. Don't be afraid to deviate from your original plan. You never know what incredible adventures await. Here's a little secret. The best travel tips don't come from fancy guidebooks or expensive travel agents. They come from the people who know the destination best, the locals. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with locals, whether it's your Airbnb host, a bartender at a cozy pub, or a fellow passenger on a train. Ask for their favorite restaurants, hidden gems, and off-the-beaten-path attractions. Locals can also provide invaluable insights into local customs, transportation hacks, and even help you snag discounts or special deals that you wouldn't find elsewhere. Plus, these interactions often lead to enriching cultural exchanges and create lasting memories that go beyond the typical tourist experience. Another way to tap into local insights is to join online travel communities or forums dedicated to your destination. Ask questions, seek recommendations, and connect with fellow travelers who have first-hand experience. The more you connect with locals and immerse yourself in the local culture, the richer your travel experience will be. So there you have it, my friends, the ultimate blueprint for experiencing pure luxury travel on a shoestring budget. Who says you need deep pockets to live the good life on the road? We've officially debunked that myth. Remember, luxury travel isn't about breaking the bank. It's about embracing a mindset of intentionality, resourcefulness, and a dash of savvy travel hacking. It's about creating unforgettable experiences, indulging in the things that truly bring you joy, and making memories that will last a lifetime, all while being mindful of your budget. From snagging those coveted 5-star hotel stays for a fraction of the cost, to unlocking hidden culinary gems and embracing the art of spontaneity, we've covered it all. Now it's time to put these tips and tricks into action and start planning your next adventure. But wait, there's more. Before you jet off on your next luxurious escapade, I've got a few more words of wisdom to share. Trust me, these final tips will take your budget-savvy travel game to a whole new level. The first step to manifesting your dream vacation is to get those creative juices flowing. Start browsing travel websites, flipping through magazines, and creating a vision board filled with inspiring destinations and experiences. Once you have a general idea of where you want to go and what you want to experience, it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of planning. Set a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals and start researching flights, accommodations, and activities. Remember those handy-dandy tips we discussed earlier? Put them into practice. Consider traveling during the off-season or shoulder season for the best deals. Be flexible with your dates and destinations, and leverage those travel rewards points like a pro. And don't forget to tap into the power of local insights by connecting with locals and joining online travel communities. Remember, the key to successful budget-savvy travel planning is to start early, be organized, and stay informed about deals and discounts. And most importantly, have fun with it. Planning your trip should be an adventure in itself. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our epic journey into the world of luxury travel on a budget. I hope this video has inspired you to ditch those outdated stereotypes and embrace the fact that you can live the good life on the road without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more budget-savvy travel inspiration. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Now go forth and conquer the world, my friends. Embrace adventure, seek out those unforgettable experiences, and most importantly, travel in style without spending a fortune. Until next time, happy travels.